Hello everybody, it's Brittany. Hope everyone's having a good Monday. Today has definitely been one of those Mondays, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna hop on here really quick, and by really quick I mean I have a sleeping baby right next to me. So she has been waking up off and on for the last 20-30 minutes while I've been trying to work out here. So we are on borrowed time. So we're gonna work kind of quickly. I don't know if you guys have seen, especially around Christmas time, the whole gnome craze has been like taking over the crafting world. And they're adorable, they're so cute. So I'm actually going to be hosting a Build a Gnome class. If you are in the Kansas City area, it is on February 12th at 6:00 p.m. at Owl Our Junk Boutique in Bonner Springs. So if you are interested in making your own gnomes, there's going to be like 4 different fabric choices, and you're going to get to put a little word on it, and you're going to get to assemble your own. So I'm going to show you guys a couple examples, and then I will post in the group the event. So if you're around the area and you want to come make some cute gnomes with me, you definitely can. All right, so we're gonna start with the chalking part. Whoops, what do I have on there? Got something on there. There we go. So I'm gonna chalk a different word on each one, and then I'm gonna add the cute little beard. I made up some little hats earlier today, and then got the little nose. So, and then anyone who comes to the class, you'll have a chance to add some other embellishments and things. I'm gonna have some twine, and I'll have ribbon and all sorts of cute stuff. So I'm gonna put that one on there. I've got this one, says so blessed. And then this one is XOXO, so that'll be like a Valentine's Day one right there. Hope you guys can see that. There we go. She's still sleeping. This is as long as she's slept all afternoon. We're going on like 7 minutes now. All right, so I'm gonna do the So Blessed in black. And then move that one out of the way. Peel that off, cute. And then I'm gonna do the Love in black. This is a really old transfer, so I'm hoping this one comes out. It doesn't bleed. Yeah, that's not too bad. Looks good to me. And then the XOXO, I'm going to do in red. So I was just gonna like assemble these and, you know, take pictures myself, and then I thought, well, I might as well do a video. Oops. Let's see if I can get that off of there. Good enough. There we go. So we've got those 3. Get my lids on my paste really quick. Go. Brand new paste. Ooh. It smells good. I love the smell of a freshly opened jar of chalk paste. I know I'm weird. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the one that I did first. So I'm going to just fold this over like that. The top isn't gonna be seen because it's gonna have a hat on, and then you can always trim down here if you don't want it like hanging over on the edge. I've got my handy dandy Ryobi glue gun. Just gonna put some glue on the back. Press it down. Whoops. I didn't glue in the right spot. Hold on. It's probably gonna smell like burning hair now. Burning fake hair. Oh, I still didn't do it right. It needs to go up here. Come on. Sometimes trying to do things on video is a little more difficult than it needs to be. Alright, I'm just gonna put it, there we go. I'm using a little bit of a, are you guys still there? I hope. Alright. Here we go. Alright, and now my dog is barking. Oh my gosh. It has been a day. There. Doesn't have to be fancy because it's going to get covered up. So I've got that. And then I'm going to take my little hat. So basically it's just a triangle that I folded in half and then sewed. And then I cut it along the bottom a little bit. So I'm going to, I don't know why my dog is barking. There we go. And I'm just gonna put the little hat on top. And then I'm gonna kind of fold it down a little bit. And then I'm going to kind of wrap it around the back this way. And then I'm just gonna glue it in a couple spots back here. Some more glue right here. There we go. Isn't that cute? And we'll probably add like a little pom-pom or something there. And then for the nose, there's a flat back. So I am going to kind of open up a space in the beard. Put some glue in there. And glue the little nose. There we go. Isn't that so cute? I love them. Adorable, adorable. Okay, so the next one I would do, I'm not gonna do it now because my dog is freaking out, so I need to go see what the deal is with him. So I'm gonna do this one with this cute little buffalo plaid, like that. And then this one, I'm gonna turn this, I didn't turn this one inside out. The XOXO will have the little beard and then this cute little heart hat. So there we have it. That's about all, guys. So hope you enjoyed my cute little gnomes. If you're in the area and you want to come to a gnome class, like a little ladies night out, Owler Junk Boutique in Bonner Springs on February 12th, and there'll be more information here on the site soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.